Yeah, you are now tuning into Island Stories music, where the rhythm meets the ocean and the heritage meets the modern vibe. We're taking it back to the roots, but we're flipping the script. No money, no problem. It's all about the soul of the music. This is the official Sohte Nei Mwohni remix cover by the one and only Retrick. Let's Retrick. Tell them about it. Sohte Nei Mwohni, Sohte where is dosa, Sohte me anane hekinalu alu sele mesen kala sele apwe Sohte me anane. No money, no honey, I need some money to buy me many, many honey. Sohte Nei Mwohni, Sohte where is dosa, Sohte me anane, Sohte banka pui pui, Sohte Nei Mwohni, Sohte me anane, hikinalu alu sele mesen kala sele apwe Sohte me anane. No money, no honey, I need some money to buy me many, many honey. Sohte Nei Mwohni, Sohte where is dosa, Sohte me anane, Sohte banka baby baby, Sohte Nei Mwohni, Sohte me anane. When me anane Kalahngan kela school, when me anane and me ain't saving, when me anane Kalahngan kela school,